Hey folks, it's Alan here again from LearnKoreanFast.com, and in this video we're going to take our this, that, another step further. Last time we talked in another video, we talked about this way, as in 이쪽으로, right? This direction, right? So another way that we want to use this way is in this way, in this manner, using this method. And there are a couple of ways that we can do that, but we can add to our this, that, and that usage really quickly by just adding in this one, right? And this one is 이렇게, right? So 이렇게, right? So we have this 이렇게. So we have the 히읗 at the bottom, right? So that 게 becomes ke, right? Because that 히읗 causes that next consonant to get the hard pronunciation, right? So 이렇게, do it like this. So in really casual conversation, we might get that sometimes, right? 이렇게, right? Or 이렇게, right before we had 오세요, right? So 이렇게 오세요. So I'm giving you the path, right, in the method for you to get someplace, to come to someplace, right? Or to go to someplace, right? So 이렇게 가세요, right? I'm pointing out a pathway. 이렇게 하세요, right? So 그렇게, in that way, in that method. 그렇게 가세요. And 저렇게 하세요, right? So cool. So now we've been able to add really quickly lots of different ways that we can use our this, that, and that over there prefixes. So 이, 그, 저, right? So great. I hope you found that really helpful and you can add that right into your Korean conversation practice and use right now. All right. Thanks a lot. Be sure to click subscribe, like, share, leave a question or a comment below. And thanks a lot for everyone for checking out my website, LearnKoreanFast.com, and the link below that will lead you to Amazon, to my books on Amazon on learning Korean, right? So thanks a lot. I really appreciate people buying those books because it's really helpful to me, to give me extra time to be able to make these kind of videos to help people out. All right, so 다음에 뵙시다.